Guys, here's the situation. Amazing returns, 430% profit. I made $43,000. But now let's talk about Bitcoin. I recommend to buy Bitcoin right here when the price was right here about 16.5, and right now the price is up 41%. That means 50% from the last low. But remember, wait for my signal, okay? Don't buy or sell before I let you know, because my software is tracking the market and I control Bitcoin. It's all about the volume in the market, guys, okay? By the way, last time when the Bitcoin hit this 200 exponential moving average, the price crashed down. The same thing happened here. Let's see what's gonna happen, okay? Wait for my email. But like I mentioned before, Bitcoin only provides us 40% profit. And trade crypto altcoin pumps, guys, we just made 430% profit. Let me show you the trades I share in the private list. On the last 48 hours, we trade High Bay, High Streets, Dreams, Flock, Earth. Guys, it's all about volume. My software is tracking the market 24/7, guys. Take a look at this volume here, 447,000. 428 million. Guys, I made $43,000. You can make the same profits I do. Just follow my trades. Okay, that's the reason we don't worry much about Bitcoin. Bitcoin provides us a small return. We focus on altcoin pumps, guys. Look, I shared this trade in the private list on 28. You bought this coin. Take a look at this price. It's a ridiculous price, 0.00006, and you put a sell order up here. Our order just get filled right in the limit, okay? 65% profit. I made 6,500 this trade. Oh, volume spike, volume spike. Look, volume spike, my querido, right here. Volume pump, volume spike, all the same. This is all what's volume spike right now, but the combination is volume spike plus buyer power. Next trade recap, guys. High back, guys. Shared this trade in the private list on Sunday 22, a week ago. He bought this coin for 13 cents and put a sell order up here at 35 cents. I made 155%. Some members made 165%. Guys, I made $15,000, 500. Next trade recap is Flock, guys. Take a look how beautiful this chart. It's all what you want. It's all what you want. Price go flat, volume spike, buyer power. Share this trade in the private list right here on 25. We bought this coin for 0.0001 and you put a sell order up here. Our order just get filled today. $16,000 in my pocket. Huge returns, guys. The reason I share my trades in the private list because together we are strong. More people buying the same coin at the same time on the uptrend. We pump the coin by ourselves. We jump in and jump out. It's a straightforward, guys. We don't play games here on this channel, okay? And also, you can wait for my signals to buy the main cryptos: Bitcoin, Solana, Litecoin, Polkadot, Cardano, Dogecoin. Okay, thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I'm in South Beach, Miami. If you've been hanging around in South Beach, Miami, send me email. Let's meet. We can meet some coffee place and talk. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.